If you want to learn how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. Start on Cash App home screen, tap on Bitcoin. Each Bitcoin wallet has a unique address. To start, scroll down and tap on Deposit Bitcoin and copy the address of your desired wallet. Next, go back and tap the send arrow on right and select Send Bitcoin. Now you can choose to send either in Bitcoin or dollar value. We'll select Bitcoin and enter the balance you want. Now, on the To section, paste in the Bitcoin address and select it by tapping Next. Again, you will see options for transaction speed. You can choose between standard, priority, or rush, which incurs a fee. We'll select the standard option, which is free here, and tap Next. Here you will see the order details after confirming the transaction. As you can see, the transaction has been initiated. Here you will see the order details after confirming the transaction. The Bitcoin transfer is now on its way and will arrive in 24 hours once confirmed on the network, and this process was easy and efficient. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.